Welcome my dear students. Exercise 4.2 question number 16. Just now I am reading the question. If the letters of the word garden are permuted in all possible ways and the strings thus formed are arranged in a dictionary order, then find the ranks of the word garden. Second one, danger. Okay. So our aim is to find out the rank of the word. Okay, find the ranks of the word garden and danger. Okay, so first write down the lexicographic order of the letters. Okay, so the lexicographic order is, so first A, D, E, G, okay, N, R. So this is the lexicographic order A, D, E, G, N, R. Okay, my dear student, garden means we have to find out all the letters from the order, lexicographic order. First, number of words starting with A is, so if we start with A, remaining there are 5 letters, so it can be completed in 5 factorial ways. Okay, next, number of words starting with, okay, next we need to move out one by one. So if we start with the D, A after that D, so again there are 5 letters, so it can be done in 5 factorial ways. Okay, so we need garden. So A, D, next number of words starting with, okay, E. We need to consider the number of words starting with E. Again, remaining there are 5 letters, so 5 factorial ways. Okay, number of words starting with G. If G comes, okay, so afterwards the lexicographic order is A. Okay, A, then look at here. After that we need, what is that? R. But before that E, okay, G, N, all are the things are present. Okay, so G after A automatically comes, no other letter between that. Okay, so we need R. Okay, so either we have to put what is that? Sorry, already G and A fixed, so we can put D or E or N. After that only R comes. Suppose we are putting D, means remaining and there are 3 letters, so the number of words starting with G, A, D is 3 factorial. Similarly, the number of words starting with G, A, after that E. Okay, so again remaining 3 letters, it can be done in 3 factorial ways. So number of words starting with G, A, what is the next? Okay, so what is that? N. So N means again it can remaining 3 letters, it can be done in 3 factorial ways. So number of words starting with G, A, after only R comes. Okay, D, E, N, after finally only it comes. So if we put R, so then what are the possibilities? So G, A, R, G, A, R, 3 letter fixed. Then we need D, E, N. Okay, so if we put it here, what we get? So again R, then automatically D comes, then automatically E. Okay, so it is in the order between that, no words. So it can be done in only one way, 1 factorial way. Okay, so now after that the next word is garden. So we have to sum up all the things. So the rank equal to sum of all the things. 5 factorial 120, again 120, plus 120, 3 factorial 6, okay, so plus 1. So what is the total answer? 360, 340, 360, 378, 379. So rank of the word garden is 379. My dear student, we can find this in another way. Shortcut is also there. For example, if you think of garden, okay, so garden means, listen. So if you want, you can, I will explain for the next subdivision danger, the shortcut method. If you want, you can use it that, okay. So DANGER. So first write down the lexicographic orders. So 1, A, then D, 2, then E, 3, G, 4, okay, 5, okay, and 6. Now, so look at here. So how many letters, we have to move left to right. How many letters, look at this number. How many letters less than this 2? So only 1. So we have to put 1 here. Okay. And look at here. How many letters less than 1? So no, nothing. So we have to put 0. So here how many letters less than 2 in the only right side? Okay. So 4, 3. There are 2 things. Okay. And how many letters less than 4? Only 1. Okay. And how many letters? So nothing. Here also, so nothing. So what we have to put? So from the reverse order, okay, so we have to put the starting with 0 factorial, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Okay. So we need to write in the reverse order. So now the rank equal to multiply and sum of this 1 into 5 factorial plus 0 into 4 factorial plus 2 into 3 factorial plus 1 into 2 factorial plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial. That all. So 5 factorial is 120, 0, 3 factorial is 6. So what is that? 6 into 2, what we are getting? 12, okay, and 2 factorial is 2, okay. So what we are getting? 334, okay. So finally we have to add plus 1. The next word is danger. So we have to add plus 1, okay, plus 1. So 135. The rank of the word danger is 135. You can follow the same method here. Once again repeating. First put the lexicographic order. Okay. Next observe from the left to right. Look at this number. What are the letters? How many letters are less than this 2? Only 1. Similarly find out all the things. Then from the right to left, starting with 0 factorial, put the values and find the sum of the product of the corresponding. We are getting finally the next word is the danger. We have to add plus 1. Okay. So 135. That is the rank of the word danger. Question number 17 in the exercise 4.2. Find the number of strings that can be made using all the letters of the word thing. If these words are written in the dictionary, what will be the 85th string? That is a question. So my dear student, again write the lexicographic order of the word think, T-H-I-N-G. So first G-H-I-N-T. This is the lexicographic order. So the number, we need to find out what is 85th word. Okay. So now we need to find out one by one. So first number of starting with G is the remaining. So 4 factorial. So it is 24. So we completed 24 words. Okay. So number of words starting with next, what is So H is again 4 factorial 24. So we okay, and next letter is I. So 24 plus 24 only 48 words completed. We need 85th word. Okay. So the number of words starting with I is again remaining 4 letters. So 4 factorial. So 24 ways. So the how many words are completed? 72 words are completed. Okay. So next, the number of words starting with GHIN. Okay. So if you put N, so automatically G will comes. Okay. So G comes. Okay. So if you put GH, N, if you put GN, G remaining there are 3 letters. So it can be filled in 3 factorial ways, 6. So what is the total now? 72 plus 6, 78. 78. Okay. So number of words starting with NG. Okay. So after that, if you put H, okay, NG, H. So remaining there are 2 letters. It can be filled in 2 factorial ways, 2. So what we are getting? 72, 78. Okay. Sorry my dear student, after NG, so we have to try with NH. So NH again there are 3 letters remaining, so 3 factorial 6 ways. So what is the total? 72, 78, 84. So next, the number of, so starting with NI. NI means automatically GHT. NI, GHT. So only 1. Okay. So if we are getting 85th. Okay. So what is that? 7, 13, 17, 25. So 85. So 85th word is night. NIGHT. That is the word. So we have to move one by one. Okay. In the order wise. Question number 18. If the letters of the word funny are permuted in all possible ways and the strings thus formed are arranged in a dictionary order, find the rank of the word funny. So my dear student, already we need, first we have to write in the lexicographic order. Okay. So the lexicographic order is first F, N, N, U, Y. Okay. So here it is very easy one. We can get it. The number of first, the number of words starting with, okay, if we consider F, okay, so if we consider F automatically, so if we consider N, Fn, so there are remaining 3 letters, so it can be run in 3 factorial ways, that is 6. Okay. Number of words starting with F, U, automatically, so what will comes? N, Y comes. Okay. U, then automatically N, no other way. So N, no, the last one is, so is 1. Therefore, rank of the word funny is 6 plus 1, 7. A very simple question. Question number 19. Find the sum of all the 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repetitions not allowed. So we need to form the 4-digit number 1. So 4 digits. Okay. So we need, our aim is to find out sum of all the 4-digit numbers formed with the use of the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So there are 5 numbers. So the total number of 4-digit numbers can be done in 5p4. 5p4 is equal to 120. So 5p1, So it is 5 factorial 120. Okay. So now there are 5 letters. So 120 by 5, 24. Repetition not allowed. Okay, there are 24. Each digit will occur 24 times. Okay, each digit will occur 24 times. So we need to find out sum of the all the 120 numbers. Okay, sum of all the digits in the all 120 places. Okay, so sum of these digits is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. So 15 into 24, 360. Okay, that means sum of the numbers in the unit place is 360. Sum of the numbers in tens place is 360. Sum of the numbers in the 100 place is 360. In the meantime, sum of the numbers in the thousands place is also 360. So unit place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. In all the places, the sum is 360. Okay. So unit place means 360 into 1. Tens place means 360 into 10. 100 place means 360 into 100. 1000 place means 360 into 1000. Okay. So now sum of all the 4-digit numbers equal to sum of all the things. Okay. Sum of unit place, 100 place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. If we sum of this, we are getting this answer 399960. So my dear student, 20th question in the exercise 4.2, again it is similar to the previous question. We need to find out the sum in the unit place. If we find out the sum, then we can find out the sum of tens place by multiplying 10 and 100 place by multiplying 100 and 1000 place by multiplying 1000. So first we need to find out, the question is find the sum of all the 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digit 0, 2, 5, 7, 8 without repetition. The previous question is with the repetition, here without repetition. So the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed with the digits 0, 2, 5, 7 is, here we can't put 0. So only 4 letters are possible. So 4 ways. And here we can include 0. So again 4 ways. Already 2 letters fixed. So remaining 3. Already 3 letters fixed. 3 numbers fixed. So remaining 2. So 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. So what is that? 96. So the total number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using these digits equal to 96. Okay. Now consider the unit place. First fix the unit place alone. Okay. Suppose if we fix the unit place 0, it can be done in only one way. Okay. So next 4, 3, 2. Okay. So 12 into 2, 24. So 0 can occur. So okay, the number of numbers ending with 0. The number of numbers ending with 0 is 24. If we consider the other numbers, for example, if we fixing 2 only one way, here we can't put 0. If we put 0 here, it becomes a 3-digit number. Okay. So except 2 and 0, we can remaining 3 numbers. Okay. So now other, for example, here we are putting 5 means, so delete that 5, but we can include 0 for the next one. Again 1, 2, 3 ways. So already 3 numbers fixed, remaining 2. So 3 into 3, 9 into 2. Okay. So 18 ways. The number of numbers ending with, okay, 2 is 18. Similarly, the number of numbers ending with 5 is 18. 7 is also 18. The number of numbers ending with 8 is also 18. Okay. So now find the sum in the unit place. Sum of numbers in the unit place. Unit place equal to 0 24 times, but it is meaningless. 0 into 24, that is 0, that is not needed. So 2 into 18, okay, plus 5 into 18, or we can write it as 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 into 18 remaining. So what is that? 14 plus 8, 22. 22 into 18. So 22 into 18, we are getting 396. 396. Therefore, it is the sum of numbers in the unit place and on the tens place and hundred place. But if you come to the thousands place, so it is each number occurs 24 times. Okay, sum in the thousand place is 22 into 24. So what is 22 into 24? We are getting, my dear student, find out the answer. So it is 528. Okay. So now sum of all 4-digit numbers, okay, equal to unit place 396 plus on tens place 396 into 10, 100 place 396 into 100, plus if you come to the thousand place 528,000. Okay, so if we sum up all the things, we are getting our final answer 57. Okay, 1976. Okay, 5719. Sorry, I think it is 56. 571956. Okay.